This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Billy Berg. Condo Alternative. Professional photography coming soon. Trade your lawn mower for a lifestyle of low-maintenance luxury in the beautiful 55-plus gated community of Rio Villa Lakes in Punta Gorda. This 2021 built on a 10 ASL stem wall gem is perched on a corner lot, surrounded by swaying palms and delivering serious curb appeal. Step into your move-in ready oasis and feel instantly at home, protected with impact windows, doors and shutters. Inside, an open, sunlit floor plan showcases 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, with the primary suite privately tucked away for ultimate privacy and relaxation. The living spaces are adorned with ceramic tile flooring and fresh interior paint, while ceiling fans ensure year-round comfort. The newly updated chef's kitchen is the heart of this home, featuring gleaming granite countertops, a charming farmhouse sink, stainless steel appliances, and a pantry big enough to handle your culinary adventures. The primary suite is a serene escape with a spacious walk-in closet and a spa-like ensuite bath. 2 additional bedrooms offer flexible options for guests, a home office, or a cozy den. Step through the glass sliders onto the screened lanai, where you'll enjoy the breeze and the view. From there, relax on your paved patio, surrounded by lush grass and mature palms, perfect for BBQs, entertaining, or a peaceful morning with coffee. Practicality meets style with a 2-car garage, complete with storage, a laundry area, and all the organization you need. Outside, the irrigation system keeps your tropical landscaping vibrant year-round. Living in Rio Villa Lakes means embracing an active, resort-style life. Swim in the sparkling pool, play a game of tennis, or take leisurely walks in this pet-friendly neighborhood. Just minutes from downtown Punta Gorda, you'll enjoy charming shops, waterfront dining, and the vibrant farmers market. With quick access to I-75, beaches, parks, and marinas, every adventure is within reach. This is more than a home, it's your gateway to paradise. Schedule your tour today and start living the dream. For more information, review the details.